start. So, hi guys, and today I will show you some stuff. I got this bracelet. Yeah, it's cool. And also I have a sombrero hat for this guy. And I've had this guy for lots of years. And also this is the top of the hat. And I really like this. And time for the next thing. Here's my ukulele. And it's also from Mexico because we're in Mexico. And I can play it. I cannot play it that good though. But that's the only way I can play it. And bye guys. And also today, you need to like and subscribe if you haven't.